This is our No.7 shoes zipper. First, let me show you the running situation. You see, it runs very smooth. And now, let's check the locking. Locking is very strong, so I use very strong power to check it, but it's still locking very well. For shoes zipper, the locking is very important, and the running situation also is very important, because once the shoes with the zipper, if it lands not well, or it cannot lock it very well, and then your shoes will be thrown away. So choose one piece. High quality shoes zipper is very important. If you need such this kind of high quality shoes zipper, you can send email to us. Thank you for your interest in.